Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read another error detection method, that is checksum method. So I am writing down that the method name is checksum method. Here what is happening? The error is simply detected. Here there is no option for error is to be corrected. So when the sender is trying to send any piece of data to the receiver, in this scheme the data is only to be corrected, verified whether is there any error or not. That is error detection method. So whatever may be the data, suppose in this end the sender is there and in this end the receiver is there. Whatever may be the data which is to be sent from the sender to receiver, the data is simply the error is to be detected here. So no error correction will be done here. So in this scheme, when any data is to be transmitted, that data is divided into a number of segments, and each segment is having a number of bits. So whatever the data, the entire data is divided into a number of segments. This is segment 2, this is segment 3, and these are the number of bits. Each segment is containing a number of bits. So here we will take an example for better clarification of this thing. So suppose the sender is sending this piece of data. So I am using here 4 different segments, and each segment is having 8 number of bits. Suppose the first segment is containing these 8 number of bits. Segment 2 is containing these 8 number of bits. Segment 3 is containing this, and segment 4 is containing. So what is happening here? These are the segments and these are the bits. So what is happening? When the sender is trying to send this data to the receiver, the bits of each segment is to be or are to be added. So what will happen here? Now segment 1 is to be added with segment 2 first, and this is happening in the sender's end. This part is sender's end and this part will be the receiver's end. So first what will happen? Now S1 is to be added with S2. Our S1 is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. And what is our S2? This is 0 1 0 1 0 111. Now simply the binary addition will be taken place here. So what will happen? 1 plus 1, this will be 0. Carry is 1 here. So again 1 plus 1, 0. Carry is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1, carry is 0. Sorry, carry is 1, again 1 plus 1, this is 1. Carry is 1, 1 plus 1, this will be 0. Carry is 1, again 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1, again 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1, again 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. This is the carry bit. And if the carry bit is 1, at that time this 1 is to be added with this. In this scheme, the carry bit is to be added here. Now what will happen? This will become 1 0 1 1 4 times 0. Clear? Next what will happen? Now segment 3 is to be added with this sum. What is our segment 3? Segment 3 is 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. And when we will add this 1 plus 1, this is 0, this is 1, 1 plus 1, this is 0, this is 1, sum is 1, carry is 1, again this will become 0, this will 1, 1 and 1. There is no carry. That means no one is to be added here. This is our summation of segment 1, segment 2 and segment 3. Now what will happen? With this sum, again we will add segment 4. Segment 4 is to be added here. What will become 1, 1, 1, 1 and 4 times 0. So what will happen here? This is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 1, 1, 0. So this will be 1, and this carry is 1. This will be also 1, carry is 1. And this 1 is to be added here. Now this will become 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is our sum bit. This is the summation of segment 1, segment 2, segment 3 and segment 4. Now what will happen when the sender will send the data? This sum bit is to be added with the original data to check the sum, whether is there any error is found or not. Simply this 8 bit of data is to be added with the original data. So what will happen? Now the sum bit is to be added here. After adding the sum bit, the new data will be transmitted from sender to receiver. Now the data is transmitted. Now the data is reached at the receiver's end. Now the receiver will check whether is there any error or not. For checking that error, for detecting that error, again whatever the operation that is done here, the same operation is also to be performed here. So what will happen? Again I am describing this. So what is our segment 1? This is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. What is our segment 2? This is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The summation was 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And here the carry is 1. This carry is to be added here. So what we will get? So this is 1, 0, 1, 1 and 4 times 0. Again, segment 3 is to be added here also. So what is our segment 3? This is our segment 3. We will add the segment 3 here. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now the addition will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. There is no carry. That means no 1 is to be added also here. And again, our segment 4 will be added with this. What is our segment 4? Our segment 4 is 4 times 1 and 4 times 0. What will happen here? Now the summation result will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. This is again we are finding another carry bit. So this one will be added with now this. So this will become 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is our final summation bit. But when the sender was sending the data, this sum was added with the original data. Now this sum part will be added with this. Now what will happen? We will add 4 times. So we will add this. So what will happen now? So before that we have to find out the ones complement of this sum. The ones complement of this sum. So what will be the ones complement? This is simply the reverse. This is simply we change from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. This will be 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0. So this checksum, this is the checksum bit which is to be added with here. Now the final summation is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now the checksum. bit is that ones complement. This is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This checksum will be added with this. Now this will become 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0. Now we will add these two. The final summation is to be added with the checksum. So what will happen? 1 plus 0, this is 1, 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 1 plus 0, this is 1. So this is also 0. This is also 0. So again 1 plus 0, this is 1, 1 plus 0, this is also 1. Now all the bits are 1. When the final addition is added with the checksum, all the bits, all the summation bits are 1 here. So when we will again take the ones complement of this final summation bit, the final summation bit are 8 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the final summation result. So when we will take of the ones complement of the final summation result, this will be the ones complement. This means 8 times 0 will be there. That means we can say that the data is transmitted in a successful way. That means there is no error when the data is sent from the sender to the receiver. If apart from 0 any bit was found there as 1, that means there is some error. But if all the bits are found 1 after taking the ones complement, there is the successful data transmission has occurred and there is no error in the data transmission. Thank you.